Do you ever feel like you're running on a treadmill that someone else is controlling? You're working 40, 50, maybe 60 hours a week, and even if the paycheck is good, the moment you stop running, the income stops flowing. If you are over 30, you've likely realized that hard work alone isn't the secret to wealth, it's just the entry fee. The real secret, the one that the wealthy use to buy back their time while you're still trading yours for a mortgage payment, is building a system that doesn't need your permission to make money. In March 2026, with the cost of living becoming an aggressive redditor, you don't need another side hustle that feels like a second job. You need a lazy plan. You need a strategy that turns your capital into a tireless employee that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever asking for a vacation. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a $1,000 per month passive income stream using the most proven vehicle in history, dividend growth stocks. The world in 2026 is obsessed with the fast and the flashy. People are chasing AI moonshots and volatile crypto swings, hoping to strike it rich overnight. But those people aren't investors. They are gamblers, and gamblers eventually lose. As your mentor, I am here to tell you that the most productive way to build wealth is also the most lazy way. It's about being an owner of the world's most essential companies and letting them send you a check every 90 days. We're going to break down the math, the mindset, and the specific types of companies you need in your passive income fortress. By the end of this video, you will have a mathematical blueprint to reach $1,000 a month in cold, hard cash. Let's start with the fundamental shift. Most people ask, what is the price today? An evolutive investor asks, what is the yield? Passive income isn't about selling your assets to pay bills. It's about living off the fruit while the tree grows larger. In March 2026, we see a massive opportunity in Dividend Aristocrats, companies that have increased dividends for at least 25 years. If your boss hasn't given you a raise in 2 years, why are you still relying solely on them? Hire a better boss. The global economy. To reach $1,000 a month, that's $12,000 a year, you need to understand the concept of yield on cost. This is where the lazy part pays off. In 2026, we have tools and ETFs that focus on this factor. You aren't just buying yield, you are buying a compounding machine. To get to that $1,000 monthly goal, with a 4% yield, you need an investment of $300,000. Don't let that number intimidate you. You need a plan to get there, and the lazy plan is designed to get you to the finish line by reinvesting every penny. Let's take a pause. If you see how this could change your life, you are already ahead of 90% of the population. Subscribe to this channel right now. In 2026, the noise of the world is designed to keep you distracted and broke. Now, let's get into the 3 pillars of the lazy portfolio. The first pillar is core stability. The Goliaths of the world. Think Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, or PepsiCo. No matter the economy, people still brush their teeth and buy snacks. The second pillar is dividend growth aggressors. Tech dividends like Microsoft or Apple that outpace inflation. The third pillar is the high-yield anchor, REITs or energy infrastructure that are required to pay out profits to you. The lazy secret automation is your only edge. In 2026, you shouldn't be manually buying stocks. Use drip systems. A mentor's warning for March 2026, do not fall for yield traps. If a company pays more than it earns, it's a ticking time bomb. The lazy plan is about building a foundation that lasts. It's about choosing ownership over consumption. Imagine yourself years from today. You wake up, and $1,000 was deposited while you slept. That is the power to say no. Start building your income fortress today. Buy your first share. Set up your auto transfer. Take the first step. This is Evolutive Productive. Stay focused. Stay lazy. Evolve.